Alright guys, girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. I should say just another Buick episode. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out guys, part 17. Is this it? Is this the final one? I don't know, but I hope so. This is 17 parts, man. Alright, let's see if we can get this car running today, right here on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, here we go. Man, look at that gold and black. Alright. Let's see. What we're going to do now, remember, on our cap, we got that one right there as number 1. And it's going to go counterclockwise. 1-843-6572 is the firing order. Let's get our wires in there. And let's get our oil filter on. And get some oil into this engine. Let's get some oil into it. So we can get ready to crank this thing up. Yeah, boy. Alright, be right back. Alright, got my oil in. I got about 4 quarts of transmission fluid in there. Then I'm gonna, test that out, check that out. Got my wires in. I put some looms on them to keep them separated. And I also blocked off all the vacuum ports going to the carburetor. I gotta figure out which one is ported vacuum, which means as the customer steps on the gas, it applies more vacuum to that port. That's the one that goes back to the distributor to advance the timing. So I gotta figure out which one is that. Let's see here. There's the over here. Okay. Let's tighten up this before I forget it. Right here on the back of the alternator. And you know what I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do is set the radiator in so we can connect the transmission cooling lines. So when we start this up, we don't get fluid coming out of everywhere. Gotta make sure the phone reaches over there. But before we do that, you know what? Let me press that pulley on for the power steering so it won't be in the way or nothing. Man, I'm almost ready. I am almost ready to start this vehicle up. Alright, also I did close off the port to that was going to the EGR valve, so you know that ain't happening. So let's get this pulley on, and then we're going to set the radiator in and connect our cooling lines. And also what I'm going to do is over here on the ground, we had a problem with this wouldn't start before because of the bad ground. We hooked this up there. We got to hook this one to right over here. So let's get that done, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, let's see where we are. I got the pulley on. I positioned the belts where they're supposed to be. And I put this bracket back here for the AC. And the bracket, there's a bracket right here that goes in the front. I had painted that black. But then as I'm looking at it, it would look better gold. So, we're going to have that gold. And now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to hook up my fuel pump yet. I'm going to go and get the radiator, set the radiator in here, and so we can hook up our transmission cooling lines. So as we're cranking it over, the fluid don't spray everywhere out of here. Oh man, we're almost ready. Alright, so let's go get the radiator, set the radiator in, hook up our cooling lines, and yeah, boy, I might be ready to crank it over. Be right back. Alright guys, we got our radiator in, got our cooling line, transmission cooling lines hooked up. We gotta find a shroud for this thing to keep this radiator back. They have tire straps up here, but that's not good. We'll put some wire there, some mechanics wire, that'll hold this thing back enough. Got my alternator belt, my power steering belt tightened up. and I'm ready to crank this up. I just need to, I don't have my power feed going to the distributor because I don't want it to start, and I don't have my fuel line hooked up because I don't want it to flood out. So what I got my van here, and we're gonna jump it. You know, the battery is still good, but I want as much power as possible to turn this over. All right, so let's go get our jumping cables and let's crank it up. Be right back. All right, guys, got my jumping cables hooked up to the van. Man, you know, this is probably the most scariest part of doing this job. Alright, what I need to do is crank it up, get some oil up into that engine before I actually go to start it. Okay. That's good. Now I'm gonna, oh, I gotta hook up accelerator cable. Let me hook up the accelerator cable, hook up the power feed to the distributor, and I'm gonna go over here and hook up our fuel pump. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, got everything hooked up. What I'm gonna do is go over here, I don't wanna spray a little carburetor cleaner down in here. Yeah, boy. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Okay. Let's see. Get the gas up in there. Need an Edelbrock double pump up here. Let me spray a little bit more of it. We know the fuel pump is good. Dang it. Dang it. Come on. Get up there. It sounded good for that half a second. Might have to turn that distributor a little bit. Yeah. Look, it sounds good though. All right, what I'm gonna do, because the choke is not working, I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit because I got no antifreeze in it right now. But I want to turn the distributor. There we go. Advance that just a little bit. warmed up. Here we go, guys. I gotta adjust the timing. Definitely off. But it's running good. All this smoke gotta burn off here. But looks good. It is done. To that exhaust. Alright, let me not get too happy. Let this thing overheat, because that would suck. So I'm going to shut it off. Shut it off. And that's it, guys. This is done. I'm going to hook everything else back up. And when we do the closing on this, smell that paint burning. Everything will be hooked up. We'll be right back. Dun, 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 dun. Look at this, guys. Let's walk around. Let's walk around. Look at that black and gold. Oh my goodness. Somebody go back to part 1 and pull that video up and look at this engine before. Look at that. Man, guys, that is sweet. That is a good, but wait a minute, guys. Let's hook up. Let's put our camera right here. Okay. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Okay, let's start this up. Man. Wait a minute, guys. This job ain't done yet. I saw a little leak back there. I need to get a screwdriver. Tighten up this clamp right here. Yeah. Alright, there you go. There you go. But guys, this job ain't done yet. Why? Why ain't this job done yet, guys? Because of the final thing. You ready? You ready? You ready, guys? Here we go. Let's get this right here. That's in there. Yeah. Here we go, guys. Yeah, boy. What's the thing? Where's that thing coming through there? Come on. Don't be shy now. Hey, what the heck? This thing's supposed to come through there now. There we go. There we go. Fit that all around there. Where's the wing nut? Where's the wing nut? Gotta put a wing nut on. Oh, I should have put Astral up there, but it's okay. It's okay. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Let's get that view from the top. Ooh, man. This looks so much better than before. No leaks, no nothing. This is a great running. You know what? Let's go over here. Start this again. Okay. fully moving. What a police. Man, that sounds good. Now I gotta let this, when it warms up, it's gonna burn off all the oil, the paint and all, so it's gonna get, but that looks good. Wait, roll there? No, power steering pump. The power steering pump making that, the pulley making that noise. What do you think, guys? Let's go back here. Yeah, buddy. You don't hear no. Let's shut this off. It's nice. Nice. Last but not least, the hood. But we are done. Yeah, buddy. We'll be right back. There you go, guys and girls. Check that out. I hope you had as much enjoyment watching it as I had of doing it. This was definitely fun. That black and gold came out nice. Everything came out great. Now I gotta tell the customer, just because it looked good, nothing was done to make this engine faster. So, you know, keep it under the speed limit. Especially for the first 500 miles, and we're gonna do an oil change on it. Alright, if any comments, questions, be sure to put them in the comment section below. This came out good. Or you can email me direct to tim@astrorepairs.com. Part 17, that's it. Guys and girls, this is Timmy from Astro Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. I'll see you next time.